What's up, dudes? We're gonna go over here on this long straight road, practice some wheelies on the old Aprilia Tuono, because I need to get better on this thing. It's very difficult to wheelie this beast. So we're just gonna do that. Enjoy the video. Probably not gonna be the most like lengthy or entertaining video, but thought I would just film my progress. Let me know if you guys like it or dislike it. Got traction control off, ABS off. I'm gonna put this bad girl in rain mode. Before I get started, I'm wearing Hooligan jeans. They are my sponsor and they have the best riding jeans I've ever owned. They're Kevlar. They look just like regular black jeans. They got knee pads, hip pads, which is really nice. I feel like riding pants that look like this with hip pads is pretty rare, and it's really nice, good fall protection. If you use my code BarneyRides in all caps on hooliganjeansofficial.com, you get 10% off your order. And they got t-shirts and sweatshirts and backpacks and beanies and tank tops and keychains and masks and whatever you need. And they're actually good quality, and they're pretty cool. So check them out. It helps me out a lot, and it helps the owner out. Now let's do a little wheelie, shall we? Rear brake works good. What's that? Oh man, rain mode, I forgot. Way more sluggish. So jerky. This bike is so jerky. I just need to find that balance point and be able to ride it out better. Oh, it's like right there. I wonder if I should pop it up and then shift into third gear, because I usually do wheelies in second gear. I can pop it up the best in second, and they usually have the best feel. But this bike is just it just got so much torque, and once you get it up, you just barely cut the throttle. It just like that. Man, there's lots of traffic on this road right now. That's not fun. That's lame. What are you guys doing on this road? Lamos. I'll go over here and flip a U-ey and try to wheelie up this hill. Yeah, let's do that right now. There we go. Woo! I got a little far back there and I touched the brake, but the engine just did all the work for me and just smashed me forward. Gotta get used to this bike. Such a big difference from the FZ09. FZ09, you could drop it back there and it had like barely any engine braking. Mostly because my 09 was tuned too, so it was tuned so there wouldn't be that much engine braking. So I would have to rely on the brake way more. Now this thing's got way more engine braking. Just gotta feel it out. Gotta ride this thing more. Do more wheelies. It's just so jerky. Golly, is it a fun bike though? Those pops, so sick. The audio, the microphone doesn't do it justice. In person, this thing is so loud and it's just sounds so cool. I'm just not used to this thing dropping back and then actually having enough engine braking that I won't loop out without using the brake. Let's try a first gear one, see how this feels. Kind of feels how it did on the FC09. It's just so short and jerky too. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was scary. It's just like barely any throttle, barely any twist of the wrist. It's just like fun motorcycle. This bike's definitely not made for wheelies. It is a 1000. 1000s are extremely difficult to wheelie, especially these V4s. People that wheelie these 1000s are crazy. Jigsaw Brad's just nuts. I just can't drop back like he can. I've seen Brian 636 too. I've seen him wheelie Tuono. I think he wheelied Mad Max's Tuono when he had that. Oh, wetness. That tunnel's always wet, it like drips from the ceiling. And I went through that puddle and I got dripped like pretty good and got my shirt all wet. I want to see if I can knee knocker this thing. Oh wow, this seat is so slippery. I don't like that actually. Maybe if I put my knee, instead of putting it on the left side, no, I don't know. I guess I could put it, gosh, I don't know, it's scary. I can do a stand-up, kind of. It's so nice out right now. It's like 75-ish. Flowers are all blooming. I feel like it has such a lag. Kind of like how the 09 did. You pop it up and you're on the throttle and you let off and then you get back on and it's like it takes a second for it to actually get back on the throttle again, you know? Yeah, it's so hard to wheelie this thing. I suck. Let's go really slow though. Like this slow. Yeah, I don't know. Well, that's probably all the wheelie practice I'm gonna do today, dudes. I'm gonna turn my ABS back on because this road is kind of gravelly, and I'm gonna rip on it pretty good. Bam. ABS. Turn that on somehow. Hello? Oh, there we go. Okay. Go back to the street screen. Yeah, let's turn my traction control back on. Let's put it to 1. Like I said, gravelly. I saw a car just passed us, which is a bummer. Whatever. In rain mode still. Let's go to sport. Probably be good for this road. better than track. Track is twitchy, but man, is it fun. Go Tesla, go. Go Tesla, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Tesla, go. Tesla. Oh, he's ripping it. He's ripping it, boys. Oh, hello, bird. Oh, that reminds me. I was going for a ride with my two friends, and came around this turn, and there was a little baby bird. Flew over us, hit me right in the top of the head. Exploded, and feathers and blood went all over my buddies behind me. It's pretty funny. I got it on video. I'll probably play it. Oh, this guy's letting us by. I'm passing. Car. Oh! That was a bird! That was a bird! It hit me in the top of the head. You can just like, it's like 1 or 2 frames. You can barely see it. Bonk. I'm just gonna slow down. This guy's being annoying. This guy's being annoying. He's going too fast for me to pass him. Too slow for how I ride. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Oh, there's a stop sign up here. I forgot about that. I wonder which way he went. Shoot. I should have been close to him to see. We're gonna go. Oh, there he is. Oh, sick. We're gonna go this way. Oh my gosh. That quick shifter sounds crazy. She's angry. I just need more practice on this thing. That's definitely the hardest bike I've ever tried to wheelie. It's even harder than my friend's 2021 Aprilia Tuono. This one is tuned though with Aprilia's race map, so that could be why. Silly. We'll get it one day, dudes. I'm gonna get master at wheeling this Tuono. Maybe, probably not, but you know, practice makes perfect. Oh, ah, yup. Let's go. Can we make the gap? Gosh dang, these people are driving slow on this road. He waved at me and then took it back when he saw how fast I was going. Them Harley riders! Oh my goodness, this board bike guy is going so fast! Oh my goodness! This bike is so fun. What are you doing over there? Such a fun bike. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, dudes, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a big thumbs down. Let me know. Alright, dudes. Peace out.